Colossians chapter 3 from verse 8.
Uh-huh.
But now, put away and rid yourselves completely
Uh-huh.
all these, of all these things, anger, rage.
Anger. Produced by what? Loneliness. Somebody make you angry, you go to your room, you close the door. You're building something. It's going to be a pet. That every time you are angry, you must go to your room and shut the door. But Satan is busy building. You won't be aware. You won't be aware. You think you are dealing with your anger. You think you are isolating yourself because somebody is making you to feel pain. Okay, let's go.
But now, put away and rid yourselves completely of all these things, anger, rage, bad feeling towards others,
Bad feeling. Meaning it's possible to feel in a funny way. The problem is you. You suffer loneliness. You suffer loneliness. Meaning you were rejected to a point that you didn't maintain being alone. Now, uhamba uba nama bad feeling towards people. Hayi ngathi akangithandi ukutshelela ukuthi akakuthandi na. You've got a bad feeling, not a good feeling. It's not good for a man to be alone. You must come with a good feeling, not with a bad feeling. Hey,
anger, rage, bad feeling towards others, curses and slander, and foul mouth, abuse.
What produces this? Loneliness. Loneliness. You open your mouth, it's distraction. It's distraction because you are trying to fill up that gap in you. Loneliness has caused you to be a destructive weapon for Satan. Let's go.
And foul-mouthed abuse and shameful utterances from your lips.
Shameful utterances from your lips. Now you will know whether you are alone or lonely. Let's go.
Verse 9. Do not lie to one another.
You see now, do not lie to one another. Lying is a sign that you are a destructive what? Weapon. Because you are lying to a person because you want to protect something. Without trying to protect something. You are lying because you are trying to protect. Let's go.
Do not lie to one another, for you have stripped off the old.
You have stripped off the old. Who is the old? The old is the flesh. The flesh knows how to feel lonely. But the spirit knows being alone. Alone. Not lonely, alone. I see.
For you have stripped off the old unregenerate self with its evil practices.
With its evil practice. With what loneliness has produced in you. You have stripped it off. Well, okay, I see. I see. I see.
And have clothed yourselves with a new spiritual self.
New spiritual self. What is spiritual self? Alone. You are spiritual. Not depending on what people are doing to you.
Kuloko abantu abakwenzayo kuwe.
You don't feel pain anymore.
Awuzwa buhlungu.
There's no anger anymore.
Akunanto
Spiritual self.
Umuntu kamoya.
Spiritual self.
Umuntu
You
kamoya.
can be spiritual but not being spiritual
Ungaba
self.
umuntu kamoya kodwa ungabi umuntu wena kumoya.
Alone.
Wedwa.
Not distracted by anything.
Ngaphazanyiswa yilutho.
People speaking whatever.
Abantu
Not
bakhuluma noma
shaken.
yini kodwa wena usuki.
They have bad feelings towards you. They don't move.
Akuzwele okubi kodwa
You know how to be alone.
wena uyakwazi ukuhlala wedwa.
You know how to be alone.
Uyakwazi kuba wedwa.
But when there's loneliness,
Kodwa makunomzwa ngedwa.
everything abantu abayishizo kuwe. Now uqeda ukungena lapha ekamareni lakho iyadlala. Your old self
Umuntu
keeps the
omdala.
records of the bad things done to you.
Gcina zonke izinto
But your
ezenziwe.
spiritual self,
Kodwa wena ungumuntu kamoya.
peace,
Thula.
joy.
Intokozo.
No matter what they say, no,
Noma ngabe
you
bathini.
cannot finish a person who's alone.
Angeke uzumqede umuntu oyedwa.
He doesn't fall.
Akawi.
He knows how to be alone.
Uyakwazi vele ukuhlala yedwa.
Okay, let's go.
And have clothed yourselves with a new spiritual self.
Yabona, it's not being new spiritual self.
Moya obusha, ubuwena bakamoya obusha.
Ubuwena bakamoya obusha bakho. Depending on no one.
Awuncikanga emntwini.
This level you depend only on
Lezi
God.
uncike kuNkulunkulu yedwa.
That's where construction starts now.
Ilapho kwakhiwa kuqala
God
khona.
begins to build you.
uNkulunkulu aqala kwakhe.
You are alone, He's building you.
Wedwa uyakwazi.
When you come out
Mase
and you
uphuma
meet challenges,
uhlangabezana nezingcinamba.
no one can destroy what God constructed privately.
Ngeke ngabhubhisa lokho uNkulunkulu akwakhile emfihlakalweni.
No one can finish what God constructed privately.
Akekho ngaqeda lokho uNkulunkulu akwakhile emfihlakalweni.
Who is building you?
Ubani na ukwakhayo?
Your phone,
Yabi umakhalekhukhwini,
your neighbors,
umakhelwane bakho,
your child,
tanakho,
your husband,
umyeni
your
wakho,
wife,
unkosikazi wakho,
or
noma ke
God.
uNkulunkulu.
Who is building you?
Ubani ukwakhayo?
Who's constructing you?
Ubani ukwakhayo na?
If it's people who are building you,
Uma kungabantu abakwakhayo,
people will destroy you.
abantu futhi abazokubhubhisa.
But if you are a product of being alone,
Kodwa uma umphumela ukuhlala wedwa,
they must just forget.
mabakhohlwe,
They must just forget.
abakhohlwe.
You are not a product of people.
Awusumphumela
You are a
wabantu,
product of being alone with
kodwa
God.
umphumela wokuhlala
So
wedwa.
God will make sure He protects you.
Manje uNkulunkulu uzoyenza
You
isiqiniseko
are
ukuthi
His
uyavikela.
construction. You are His plan.
Ungumsebenzi wakho,
You are His
icebo
building.
lakhe,
You are what
uyisakhiwo
God
sakhe.
has built,
Lo uNkulunkulu akwakhile.
not what man has built.
Hayi lokho abantu abakwakile.